I just want to talk to you guys about a way to make money just by writing. You're basically writing this consistently. Every time for each company, they have it slightly different. It's similar writing though. And you write that every time. The only thing that changes is the top portion of it, which is your personal information and the postal code. The postal code is found in the company's website with your account that you can pull from each one, and they're always different. Per envelope is one. The companies that are offering it are casinos, companies that have sweepstakes promotional opportunities. For the template, basically you can look at the terms and conditions. If you don't want to look for yourself, you can look in my Stan store. It's $8.88. You can look right in the description box for the template that really shows everything. It has template. So basically, with each batch you send out, it's going to be 6 to 9 weeks per batch. And after a while, then it'll go down to 4 to 6. So yeah,